Welcome to Dell Technologies Integrated Data Protection Appliance, IDPA. LDAP integration with Integrated Data Protection Appliance. Reference: Dell Knowledge Article Number 158042. This video demonstrates how to configure LDAP on IDPA components, Data Protection Search, DPS, and Data Protection Central, DPC, using the IDPA Appliance Configuration Manager user interface. Please note that IDPA Backup Server, Protection Storage, and Data Protection Advisor need to be separately integrated with the LDAP. For details, please refer to the Knowledge Base Article 158042, section, Procedure to Configure LDAP Settings, on AVIMA-R, Data Domain, and EPA. To configure LDAP on System Manager, please perform the following. Access the IDPA ACM user interface. On the Appliance Configuration Manager homepage, scroll down to the section General Settings. Click on the Settings icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Configure External LDAP. Now, enter the information as prompted on the IDPA LDAP settings page and then click Submit. Reference the following for more information. Thank you for watching.